Hello dear students, welcome everybody. In this video I am going to talk another interesting lesson. This is the story. This study comes under unit 3rd and the number is 16. The last short study of the book Literature for Language Development. This video will be useful for B.Ed fourth year students who are majoring in English. Now let's start the video with interesting story. One more thing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. That always make me motivate to make such kind of video in the days to come. No need to delay. Let's go through the story, The Love of the Village. The Love of the Village, that is the story written by Ismaili, who was born in 1955. He was the professor in mathematics education in Tiruvallur University. He is a fiction writer and author of Chilean literature. His writing are mostly centered on our social system, especially the love of village. This story is based on our social system. Especially in the story of Ismaili, we can find sympathy to the working class people and especially the life of the oppressed and their voices of revolt that can be presented through his story there. Especially in the story, the love of village, especially this is Nepali version story. It is translated by Govindraj Bhattrai in his book Selected Stories from Nepal. Especially the love of village, गाउँको माया भन्ने शीर्षकमा लेखिएको यो कथा नेपाली त्रिभुवन विश्वविद्यालयका प्रोफेसर इस्मालीद्वारा लेखिएको र यो कथा चाहिँ गाउँको माया भन्ने शीर्षकमा लेखिएको, जसको अङ्ग्रेजीमा द लभ अफ भिलेज भन्ने हुन्छ। र यो स्टोरी सेलेक्टेड स्टोरी फ्रम नेपाल भन्ने किताबबाट यो टेकन लिएको र यो कथा गोविन्दराज भट्टराईद्वारा ट्रान्सलेट गरिएको थियो। र द लभ अफ भिलेज भन्ने यो कथा एउटा सामाजिक परिवेश र सामाजिक विषयवस्तुसँग समेटेको कथा रहेको छ। र यो कथामा मुख्य पात्रको रूपमा, मुख्य क्यारेक्टरहरूको रूपमा परीक्षण र किसन रहेका छन्। परीक्षण जुन उसको आफ्नो परिवारको कारणले गर्दा ऊ एउटा परिवारमा हलिबसेको हुन्छ, एउटा जमिनदारको घरमा हलिबसेको हुन्छ। उसका पुर्खाहरू, उसका बाबुहरू चाहिँ एउटा जमिनदारकोमा हलिबसेका हुन्छन् भने अनि उसले त्यही परम्परालाई निरन्तरता दिएको हुन्छ भने किसन र परीक्षण चाहिँ सँगसँगै हुर्केका बाल्यकालकादेखि नै साथी हुन्छन्। र किसन अलि पढाइमा टाठो हुन्छ। उसले गाउँको स्कुल सकिसकेपछि ऊ उच्च शिक्षा आर्जन गर्न ऊ सहर जान्छ। र यहाँनिर परीक्षण ऊ गाउँमै बसेर चाहिँ एउटा गाउँमै खेतीपाती किसान हलीको रूपमा काम गरिरहेको हुन्छ। किसन चाहिँ सहरमा बसेर उसले उच्च शिक्षा हासिल गरेको हुन्छ। जब ऊ 2 वर्षपछि चाहिँ लामो समयपछि ऊ गाउँ फर्कन्छ। गाउँ फर्किँदाखेरि उसको भेट चाहिँ परीक्षणसँग हुन्छ। र परीक्षणले किसनलाई चाहिँ गाउँमा धेरै कुराहरू परिवर्तन भएको, गाउँमा चाहिँ सामन्तपन चाहिँ बढेको र गाउँका मानिसहरूले चाहिँ गरिब निमुखा मानिसहरूलाई चाहिँ शोषण गरेको र गाउँमा अब किसनको आवश्यकता रहेको, किनभने किसनले सहरमा उच्च शिक्षा हासिल गरेको थियो र उसले आफूले उच्च शिक्षा हासिल गरेको शिक्षालाई चाहिँ गाउँमा आएर चाहिँ उसले गाउँमा परिवर्तन ल्याउनको लागि किसन अब गाउँ बस्नुपर्छ भन्ने कुरा परीक्षणले जब किसन गाउँ फर्केर आएको हुन्छ त्यति बेला परीक्षणले किसनलाई भन्छ। अनि किसनलाई त्यही गाउँमा बसेर गाउँको मुहार फेर्नको लागि, गाउँमा परिवर्तन ल्याउनुपर्छ भन्ने कुरा गर्छ किसनलाई। अनि किसनको पनि मन बदलिन्छ र ऊ चाहिँ त्यही गाउँमा बसेर उसले गाउँको परिवर्तन गर्न चाहेको कुरा चाहिँ उसको मनमा त्यस्तो आभास आउँछ। र यसरी द लभ अफ भिलेज, गाउँको माया भन्ने शीर्षकमा लेखिएको यो कथामा हामीले एउटा सामाजिक परिवेश, एउटा गाउँको परिवेशलाई हामी देख्न सक्छौँ, जहाँ परीक्षण र किसन बीच दुईटा एउटा बाल्यकालदेखिका साथीहरू बीचको कुराकानी र बाल्यकालका जुन साथीहरू भेटमा चाहिँ उनीहरू लामो समयपछि भेटघाट भएको। अनि जुन किसन चाहिँ उच्च शिक्षाको लागि सहरमा पढ्न गएको हुन्छ, उसले आफ्नो साथीलाई गाउँमै बसेर गाउँको परिवर्तन गर्नुपर्छ, गाउँमा विकास गर्नुपर्छ, गाउँको जुन सामाजिक परम्परा रहेको छ, गाउँको जुन एउटा विभिन्न किसिमको विभेदका क्रियाकलापहरू गाउँमा सञ्चालित भएका छन्, गाउँमा जुन किसिमको चाहिँ धनी र गरिब बिचको खडल भएको छ, धनी मान्छेले गरिबप्रति गरेको हेपा प्रवृत्ति जुन बढेको छ, यसलाई अन्त्य गर्नुपर्छ भनेर चाहिँ परीक्षणले किसनलाई आफ्नै गाउँमा बस्नको लागि आग्रह गर्छ। र किसन पनि उसले भनेको कुरालाई उसले सकारात्मक देखिन्छ, ऊ त्यही गाउँमा बस्ने उसले पनि बाचा गर्छ भन्ने कथा यो स्टोरी द लभ अफ भिलेज भन्नेको रहेको छ। जसलाई गाउँको माया भन्ने शीर्षकमा नेपालीमा उल्लेख गरिएको छ। वेल, हामीले यसको समरीको बारेमा अध्ययन गर्छौं। लेट्स गो थ्रु द मेन प्लट अफ दिस स्टोरी। द लभ अफ भिलेज इज अ translation of Nepali story गाउँको माया. It was written by Ismaili professor in mathematics education in TU, a fiction writer and author of Chilean literature. His writings are mostly centered on our social system, sympathy to working class people, life of the oppressed and their voices of revolt. It is taken from the book Selected Story from Nepal and translated by Govindras Bhattrai. Especially this story was translated by Govindras Bhattrai, one of the professor of Thiru University. The story is set against the rural background and encompasses the interaction between two friends, Parichan and Kishan. Here, it attempts to highlight the oppressed status of the farm laborers, workers, plowmen, and how they struggle for the sake of change in the rural areas. This story also tries to raise the issue of how the Nepalese youth are lured by better education and prospective job abroad. This story shows here. According to the story, Parichan and Kishan, they were childhood friends who grew up playing and enjoying together in the village. Parichan was from poor family. He had to carry on his family trade of working for the landlords. On the other hand, Kishan attended school and left for the city for further education. These separated two friends who were inwardly haunted by it. Both the friends realized how their lives have been conditioned by their needs and economic conditions. Then, after 2 years, Kishan returned home from the city. On his way, Kishan met Parichan. Their talk mostly centered on their happy and joyful childhood, the plight of farmers, the political conflict, the dishonesty of their leaders, faction among the parties, exploitation of the powerful over the poor, illiteracy, and the urgency to bring the village back to the path of peace and progress. In their talkings, Parichan requests Kishan to stay back in the village and help the village people in changing their fate to better future. All the villagers were illiterate. They were easily deceived by their leaders. People like Kishan can only stand face to face with the feudal chief and defy their authorities there. So furthermore, Parichan also requested Kishan to stage a play to make people aware about their rights and freedoms. He also told Kishan to write a play in which he can raise the problems of the villagers that have plagued them. Kishan tried to write a play, but he could not. Hence, Parichan was finally able to make Kishan realize his responsibility towards his village and the people. So here, in this way, this story recounts the love and friendship between Kishan and Parichan for their selfless concern towards how their village and its people can be uplifted to that the working class people, including the farmers and the cowherds, can live their lives in dignity and respect. The story displays a very gloomy picture of rural and village life, but with an optimistic tone. In fact, the story attempts to portray both the love of village as well as the picture of oppressed society in the rural areas. Especially in the story, we can see the social scenario, how the people of lower class, how the people of poor class, they are oppressed in the society. This story shows here. So, by the role of Parichan, the role is shown here. And here Kishan, when he comes from the town as an educated person, Parichan requested Kishan to stay in the village and change the scenario of the village, because there is a high discrimination between high class people and lower class people. High class people, they have full of exploitation. There is a disparity among the political state there, separation there. So Parichan requests Kishan to stay in the village. So finally Kishan, he realizes his responsibility and he promises to stay in the village to change the oppressed society in the rural areas. So that is all about this story. That is the love of my village. Uh, well, I think all the students will get in concept about this. That is the love of village by Ismaili. Now we are at the end of this video. I hope all you got the concept. If you have any confusion regarding this study, you can put a comment on this video so that I can make a reply there. Now hope to meet you in our next class with another interesting text, with another interesting lesson. Till then, take care. Goodbye.